So I'm here with Lamar and Frank. How's it going? What are you guys up to?
Cleaning the sides of the bobcat.
Waiting for the...
Cleaning the sides of the bobcat?
Cleaning the sides of the bobcat.
So we're gonna clean up the edges of the grass along the chain link fence.
Throwing it in the middle so the bobcat can clean it up.
What's that tool called there, Frank?
It's called a hoe.
Oh, I don't know. How what's that used for?
Hoeing.
Hoes are used for hoeing. It's a very convenient tool to chop away at edges and chop some dirt. So basically, this homeowner has put a pool in, and they've excavated this pool and had a bunch of excess material that they left. So we're coming in now to haul away all the excess material, and after bring in topsoil that we need here, we're gonna have to regrade this whole side of the house, put in reestablish a swale here, and after that work our way out and around, because we can actually get around that shed, out and around, and grade the whole lot. And then the remainder of any grass we're actually scraping out, and we're going to be bringing in a little bit of topsoil to just kind of finesse the grading. There's a little bit left over there from the pool. I'm going to leave whatever's topsoil behind. I'll have stuff to bring in a little bit more, but for now we've been removing the fill and all the grass. You can see I've been scraping away here. So funny enough, I actually graded and sodded this house about 12 years ago, back actually when I was in high school. Would have been 12 or 13 years ago. I remember coming after school to do the grading here, the original grading. We did actually all these houses in this whole estate subdivision. Over the past 20 years or so, it's been slowly getting built, but I think the last one we did was, I don't know, 8 or 9 years ago to finish off this whole site. But I do remember doing this backyard, and now I'm back here to readjust the grade here for the actual homeowner this time instead of the builder. So yeah, we're gonna get back to it, scrape some grass, and load up the truck. All right, so there you have it. There's the backyard. A little over a day and a half. Transformation look is trying to run away from it. Doesn't want to be in it. So just over a day, and went from piles of dirt and brown to a nice lush green lawn, and the look's finally complete. Now you can enjoy your pool.
Thank you. Awesome job.
Lamar, good work.
As usual.
And as you guys have seen from the drone footage, the whole recap and the whole process, and that's another one done. So on to the next one. And there you have it, another happy customer, another job well done. Just finishing up sweeping up the driveway here, getting the equipment, all the extra skids chained down, do a little bit of extra sod, and we're off to the next one. So guys, if you enjoy the video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and as always, thank you for watching.